Windows are an essential part of every home. They provide natural light, ventilation, and character to your living spaces. However, when they aren't installed correctly, windows can also be one of the biggest sources of energy loss. Drafty windows not only make your home less comfortable but also increase your monthly energy bills. That's why proper window installation plays a vital role in creating an efficient and comfortable home. How drafts impact your home. Drafts occur when outside air seeps into your home through gaps around windows or when warm indoor air escapes through poorly sealed frames. Even small leaks can make a big difference. In the summer, drafts let hot, humid air creep inside, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. In the winter, cold drafts can chill rooms and put more strain on your heating system. The result? Higher utility bills and inconsistent indoor comfort. Homeowners often notice the signs of drafts through uneven temperatures, cold spots near windows, or a noticeable breeze even when the windows are closed. Why proper installation matters. Even the highest quality, most energy-efficient window will underperform if it isn't installed correctly. Proper installation ensures that your windows fit snugly into their frames, with tight seals and no gaps that allow air infiltration. Professional installers follow precise steps to prevent drafts and maximize the efficiency of your new windows. Key elements of proper installation include accurate measurements, ensuring windows fit precisely into the opening. Insulation around the frame, filling gaps with high-quality insulating materials. Sealing techniques, using caulking and weather stripping to block air leaks. Level and square installation, preventing misalignment that can weaken seals. When all these steps are followed, your windows not only look great but also perform at their peak. Energy savings from well-installed windows. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest benefits of proper window installation. By eliminating drafts, your HVAC system doesn't have to work overtime to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. This reduces energy consumption, lowering your utility bills month after month. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, heat gain and loss through windows accounts for 25 to 30% of residential energy use. With professionally installed, energy-efficient windows, you can cut that percentage significantly. Over time, the savings often offset the initial cost of installation. Additional comfort benefits. Energy savings are only part of the picture. Properly installed windows also improve your daily comfort. You'll enjoy consistent indoor temperatures, no more hot or cold spots near windows. Reduced humidity and moisture. A snug seal keeps outdoor humidity from creeping in. Less noise intrusion. Sealed windows block outside noise, making your home quieter. For homeowners in neighborhoods with busy streets or unpredictable weather, these improvements make a noticeable difference in your living environment. Long-term protection for your home. Improperly installed windows can let in more than just air. They can also allow water to seep into your home. Over time, this can cause damage to walls, floors, and insulation, leading to costly repairs. By investing in professional installation, you're also protecting your home's structure and ensuring your new windows last longer. Final thoughts. Drafts don't just make your home uncomfortable, they drain your wallet every month through higher energy bills. The solution isn't only buying high-performance windows, but also making sure they're installed the right way. Professional installation creates a perfect seal, improves energy efficiency, and enhances overall comfort. If you're noticing higher energy bills or chilly spots near your windows, it might be time to consider replacement and proper installation. With the right team and materials, you can transform your home into a more comfortable, efficient, and cost-saving space for years to come.